once had a technician tell me, I closed 1,000 tickets last month. Can I have a bonus? I don't know if you ever had that happen to you or not, but we've created this member review. It's very similar to our client summary, but it's called member review, where if you're having quarterly reviews with your technicians or monthly or whatever it may be, simply put in their information, find their name here, choose in the date range that you want to display, the current review for. Again, it could be any particular date range. You can ad hoc pick something here, click next, choose the display to be in Excel, and it'll pour all the information for that technician in that date range, every ticket that they have touched, been part of, into that Excel sheet. It's a tremendous panel. By the way, the technician did close a lot of tickets, but a lot of those tickets were false positives, from the BDR and from the RMM, etc. But member review, great panel. Take a look at it.